Hello guys, today I will be talking about the Cryptosteel. This is a way of storing your private keys, storing your mnemonic passwords for the hardware wallets, like Trezor or Ledger, and you can do that on this device, which is Cryptosteel. So, starting from the packaging, it's pretty nice design. As we can see, there is some kind of artwork. On the other side, there is a whole instruction how to do that. So how to use it. And I will open it right now. So there are different ways of storing your access to your crypto. So either you can choose using hardware device like Trezor or Ledger Nano or some other less known hardware wallets, and they are all coming with the recovery sheet. On the other side, so on the side that I see, there are 24 words that are unlocking this device. So those words on those recovery sheets, they are storing your private key for these kind of devices. And you would like to store them in some kind of very secure way, so either on some kind of plate or combine few plates that are engraved to have it very secure, or you can use the something like Cryptosteel. There are two different way of using it. So either you can store your private key or this kind of 24 mnemonic password, and yeah, let's do that. It slides from inside this nice packaging, and we already can see the steel. Open with care. Okay. So this is our Cryptosteel. It's smaller than I think it would be, being honest, because I'm seeing it the first time ever, and it's very nicely made. Here is the pivoting point. Oh, it opens up. So after opening it up, we've got the Cryptosteel with double side. This is one side, this is the second side, and we've got the tiles. So this is the packaging with the tiles. I will try to squeeze it and show you just the numbers. So those are the pockets, and in those pockets there are different numbers and letters, because this specific Cryptosteel is for the hexadecimal password, so hexadecimal private keys rather. And as we can see, there are 6 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we can see that. And those are those pockets. So what do we have here? Every tile is double-sided. So we've got the tiles 1, 2s here, and every tile is like double-sided. So from one side it's focus, it's 2. From the other side, and focus again, it's 1, as we can see. And we want to create a pattern: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our pattern, and I will slide every tile into my device. Okay. It's fairly easy if you know how to do that. I will push it in using my screwdriver, and theoretically I should put a lot of blank tiles here just to push it to the end, but I will lock it in and it fairly doesn't move, so later on I can just close it right like that, and I can like make some kind of lock here using some padlocks, something like that. And so what do I think about this Cryptosteel? After fiddling around with it for a few minutes, it's very nice device, very thoroughly made. Those tiles, they are very good fitting into those rails, so it isn't a problem. I thought that would be a problem that they will be loose here. Like we can see, they are fairly loose. They are moving a little bit, but it's not like they are not like moving too much. Even if I want to like push them out of it, they are not moving almost. And yeah, everything is very thoroughly made. There are pretty nice letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 24. So every Cryptosteel I think is the same. So every Cryptosteel has those spots for 24 mnemonic words, but they are coming with different sets of letters. So the set I have is the set. I'll zoom it out. Is the set with hexadecimal characters to create a private key, not a mnemonic password, because to create a mnemonic password, those 24 words, I would only need letter characters, so characters from A to Z, and yeah, they sent me the good ones, so everything is okay. And I would advise everyone using those kind of backups, those Cryptosteels. As I said, it's very thoroughly made. I feel fairly heavy, a lot of material. It should be created out of stainless steel. I will try to make it corrode, so I will use some salty water afterwards, and I will try to like damage it or do something with that, with the tiles, of course, because the tiles are the most important ones. The tiles, those engraved ones, they shouldn't have any problems with corroding, with being burned or something like that. So I will test some tiles and see what will happen. And yeah, it's very nice. So guys, that was it. My review of Cryptosteel is done. I would give it like I think I can give it like 9 out of 10, because this is open source product, and they published all their blueprint on the GitHub page. I will link it down below in the description. The other company called Billfoldle that is doing very similar ones, I think their design is highly influenced by the Cryptosteel. but they have completely different manufacturing probably. So I also ordered it, and you will be able to see the video review soon. And also there is one more competitor for the Cryptosteel. It's called Steely, and you will be also able to see it on my YouTube page. I like those devices very much. I think security is a key of when you are storing cryptocurrencies, because you are your own bank, and banks have many different securities. They've got the guards, they've got the vaults, they've got some sophisticated encryption services, they've got their own secured servers, and everything on the bank side is very securely stored, and this is what we want to achieve being our own bank. So having hardware wallets, having multi-signature accounts, having those backups of Cryptosteel or some kind of even paper wallet, but paper wallets can burn. Those Cryptosteels, you can like dig it behind your home under some kind of tree, and it will always be like not damaged. So this is what you want to achieve storing your crypto. Many layers of safety, and those layers should be very securely taught, and yeah, this is what I'm doing with my stuff. That's why I ordered 3 different backups for the hardware wallets for my private keys, because I want to be as secure as possible. I want to have those things in different locations, and you guys also should do that. So yeah, that's all for today. Let me know what you think about this kind of video. I was rambling a lot today, so let me know what you think about that. What do you think about this format? If you want to see more videos like that. And yeah, subscribe if you didn't, because I will have full series of videos about different kind of hardware wallets like Trezor, Ledger, comparison of both, because I'm using both, comparison of some new type of hardware wallets, and also devices like Cryptosteel or some kind of backup devices. So yeah, subscribe if you didn't. A lot of videos like that coming into my channel, and if the videos about the build photo and Steely will be available, I will link them here on this screen. And see you again. Bye.